early morning yesterday, I was up before the dawn, and I really have enjoyed my stay, but I must be moving on.
This elegant villa in Modica offers a perfect blend of traditional Sicilian architecture and modern comfort. Spread across 2 floors totaling 400.0 square meters, the property features 4 bedrooms, including a spacious 26.0 square meters primary suite, and 7 bathrooms. The ground floor spans 250.0 square meters, while the upper floor covers 150.0 square meters. The interior showcases a harmonious mix of rustic and contemporary elements. Stone walls, wooden beam ceilings, and marble finishes create a warm, authentic atmosphere. The 2 living rooms provide ample space for relaxation, with one featuring high ceilings and French doors leading to a balcony with countryside views. The well-appointed kitchen boasts modern appliances and a sleek design. Outside, a large terrace offers panoramic vistas of the surrounding landscape. The property also includes a private swimming pool set amidst manicured gardens, perfect for enjoying the Sicilian sun. With its combination of spacious interiors, luxurious amenities, and picturesque setting, this villa epitomizes Mediterranean living at its finest. For more information call Valeria Fantozzi, International Real Estate Specialist in Sicily.